Auxito, I think that's how you say it, sent me some lights, and I'm going to show you how to install these LED lights. These are the 194s. I'll compare them to regular ones. You see the difference? So we got them out of the package. Looks like we got a little tool here, probably to help you get them out. The LED one, and this is a regular one, and that's what these replace. And here we are for the tail light here. So we're going to pull that little cover off. We got 10 millimeters here. Both of these are 10 millimeter. You can't change the bulb without taking the light off. Some cars, some of the Hyundais, you can change them from the back without having to remove it. They have these little, these are almost like clips. It makes it difficult to get this tail light out. So this is the tail light here. It out this way, which is not the easiest thing to do. Let's see if I can't loosen up those inside parts. It's going to take some force to pull that out. You can see those are like what's holding it in. And to remove it completely, I got the plug right here. Through. And then now we got the light out. So this is the marker light. This is a tail light, brake light, and this is the reverse light. We're only interested in this light. So I'm just gonna pull that one out, put our Auxito light in. I'm gonna plug this back in to test it and make sure I got it in the right way. So now I'm going to turn the parking light on. So again, I guessed correctly the first time. So we can put that back in with a little turn. And we got the LED parking light for the back here. Put this tail light back in. Feed this wire back through the hole here. Line everything up. Push that back in. Let the boot sit back where it was. plug the light back in. Put our 10 millimeters back on. There we go. Cover back. And we do the same thing to the other side. Now what helps getting these tail lights out, as you can see, these plastic here, I kind of cut them open to make it a little easier. There's two of them right there. It's even with them cut open or off, it's still going to hold. There's a little slide-on clip back there, then you got the two 10 millimeters here, so it's still going to be fine. But make it a little easier to get off because they're kind of a pain. That's the Auxito lights on the. These are just the rear marker lights. So let's take a look at them installed with them on. So that's the bulb we replaced on both sides. And here, I don't recommend replacing the brake lights if they don't have a capacitor, because it'll read it as the light is out. Same with the turn signals. If you put them in as a turn signal, it's going to think the light's out and blink really fast, and you're going to mess up the system. So without a capacitor to account for that, don't use them for that. So that was the, I think it's pronounced Auxito LED light. They make all different lights. You can put it in your car. You have the website, what you're going to replace, or bulb numbers. You can order all through them. I'll put a link in the description below. This is our new building, still being built. You got some curbs coming in. There's a car wash. So you can check those out if you want to put them in your car. And we'll see you on the next video.